Alright, today I've noticed there wasn't a lot of John Deere 70 skid steers. And I've had this one for about 2 years. No, about 5. And I did a motor swap about 2 years ago. This is an older 1968 around. And it had a 25 horse 2-cylinder Owens gas motor in it, and I ended up converting it to diesel. I ended up finding a D722 Kubota motor. They roughly have between 18 and 20 horse and roughly 40 foot-pounds of torque. I ended up putting the newer quick disconnect on it. These are forks that I built right here. They're on backwards, so I had room in the garage. You can see the forks down there. But I welded these on so I could switch a couple buckets and the forks back and forth. You know, for the size of this, you know, you don't think it would do a whole lot, but it does. It does its fair share of work. I do driveways with it, spreading stone. I'll box out some smaller driveways. But this is the swap I did. And that's the D722 Kubota motor. I put a Chevy alternator on it. That way she'll charge up nice. Liquid cooled. I got the counterweight off and the guards. They go across here. They're underneath there. There's the counterweight. Yeah, I didn't have a roll cage, so I built this quick about a year ago, painted it up, got some stickers on it, but seems to work pretty good. I don't know if anyone else out there has one like this, having problems with it, but this motor swap is pretty easy. Not too difficult. It fits like it was made. I mean, still running the stock exhaust, plenty of room between hydraulic lines. Here's all the pumps and batteries. You got room for gauges. You know, I got the most important ones: oil pump, oil pressure, temperature. Just hit it running. I put a thermostat in it. Then your vacuum for your intake on your hydraulic pumps. Ended up putting some lights on it too, some nice LED ones. They're pretty bright. But yeah, I got the light working on the oil pump in case I'm working out in the dark. Make sure you got the oil pressure. Alright guys, well if you got any questions about this swap, or if you got a John Deere 70, here's the VIN and numbers. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'd like to know what you guys think, or if someone else has done a motor swap like this or put something else in it. Let me know. It's a cool little machine. Actually, I'll fire it up real quick. I also got the intake off too. I've been working on it. Here's that piece goes right on top here. Comes over here, down, and then the intake will sit somewhere in here. Sorry the camera's so jumpity. I'm doing this on my phone and kind of new to it. You know, I figured start up a little hobby and share some of the things with the world that I've got. Right now I'm working on this, well next. I've been jetting this up and holy moly, what a difference. I'll make a video on this on what I'm doing with the jets. Mainly just messing with the high-speed jets, And all it's got in it is a clutch kit for the bigger tires, you know, because they're pretty meaty. And an aftermarket exhaust it's a mudslinger. It's not very loud, but more to come on this. I'll post a video up within a week. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.